Hello friends, I'm Tina. Today we are visiting a farm to learn animal sounds. Let's go! I can hear animals. Let's see who we find first. Look, it's a dog. A dog says woof woof. Let's walk and find another animal. This is a cat. A cat says meow meow. I can hear something else. Let's go. Wow, a cow. A cow says moo moo. Come with me. Who is next? A sheep. A sheep says Baa Baa. I hear splashing. Let's check. It's a duck. A duck says quack quack. Let's see who lives here. A horse. A horse says neigh. Let's go to the next. This is a pig. A pig says oink oink. Oink oink. Let's walk and find another animal. I wonder what we'll see next. Look, a hen. A hen says... Let's review the animals we saw. Today we learned cow says moo, sheep says baa, duck says quack, and horse says neigh. I hope you had fun learning animal sounds with me. See you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe, okay? Bye! What a beautiful day!